Hello, everyone. This is Travis the Trader coming back to you live on Friday. This is September the 20th. And one of the one of the indices, futures indices that people have been asking me about, some of my subscribers. Oh, and by the way, please, for those of you who find value, who want to give me a better shot with the algo gods of YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Provide me a thumbs up, some comments. What is it that you might be trading? Love to hear from you guys. So please, when you get that chance, hit that subscribe button. But to come back, many of you have asked me about the Dow Jones Industrial Futures. And just to let everyone know, that's /YM. YM. And it's also viewed as a big boy contract when it comes to notional value. And again, love to hear from you guys about this. I believe the contract size, I think it's 5 times the multiple. So you're looking at about $200,000, maybe $200,000, $205,000, depending again on the movement, the upside to the downside of notional value. So it is a pretty big trade. The thing about options on the Dow Jones futures, as you can see here, they don't exist. There just aren't any. So either you would buy or sell, depending on your direction, the futures themselves, or what you can do, because we are looking to gain a better understanding, appreciation for the options, for the derivatives markets, we could do the stock ticker, the ETF for the Dow Jones, which is DIA. And if we were to put something on, let's say 56 days, and let's say we go to something, let's say at a 24 delta, you're putting up a lot. Putting up about, for this, you're putting up about $6,700, $6,800 to make $350. It's a lot. And so the thing is, this is something, by the way, that I have not traded. I have not traded the DIA ETF. I guess there are other ways of getting exposure. You can do the S&P, of course. You can do the NASDAQ. You can do IWM, which we spoke about yesterday, which is the Russell 2000, if someone was looking to gain exposure. This is just a very tough ETF, very tough, call it futures, to trade, to get any sort of exposure on. Normally, I would say just take a pass because the liquidity isn't that great, and you're putting up a lot of money to be making a little. For those of you who might be interested in the Dow, in the micro Dow, I always forget that /. That's MYM, /MYM. And again, as you can see, there are no options on this either, and that makes a lot of sense because there were no options on /YM. This is tough. This is, again, I just wanted to give some more product for your understanding, for your overall repertoire, should you ever want to trade Dow futures, Dow Jones Industrial Futures. Not something that I'm really interested in doing. Again, if you were looking to gain exposure, maybe look at some of the holdings that the Dow has. These would be stocks like United Healthcare, Goldman Sachs, IBM, Disney. Again, love to hear from you guys about what are some of the other holdings and what might be some of the exposure that you might be looking for. So maybe just looking at what do the Dow Jones, what are the companies that consist of the Dow Jones, because I believe there you'll get more pricing, better liquidity than just looking at either buying or selling the futures themselves, or for that matter, the ETF. Go figure why that is. So again, if you did find value, I would look forward. I would appreciate a thumbs up. Obviously, hit the subscribe button. And of course, I look forward to seeing everyone at the next video.